Hello guys, Weather Guru here, and I'm going to be doing a weather radio collection video. So this is approximately how many weather radios I have. I still have a bunch more on the way. Like, I have an HDR14, a high-pitched RX150, a WR11, a version 2, WR100, WX167, ESP2100, a 12-250, a V15HH, and an EAR10 on the way. So yeah. So most of these, let me turn down these lights so it's called glare. Most of these weather radios I got before Christmas, but obviously I got some for Christmas and I haven't showed them yet, so you might have seen them on RWT videos. But yeah, so let's get started. So first we have my older version 2. I'm also getting a newer V2 here soon, and I will get I'm going to buy a shelf this weekend, and I clean out my closet, and I'm gonna put the shelf, I'm gonna move all this stuff right here, and put the shelf back here, move this stuff here too, and we have a weather radio shelf down here, so you can put more radios. I'm getting a lot of weather radios, so I don't have enough room for them. I'm almost at 100, I'm at like 70 or 81, I believe, not including the radios that I'm getting soon, so yeah. So let's get started. So first I have my older version 2. I got this back in August.
Lows in the mid-50s. Highs in the upper 50s. Chance of rain near 100%.
Obviously it doesn't like getting good reception because it has a short antenna. I'm getting a newer V2, and those have the bigger quadrant, and 10 quadrant antennas, like version 3, 4, 5. This version 5 has 8 quadrant. That has 10. That has a 10. Here we have version 3. I believe I got this before. I got the V2 back in July, maybe?
It's 10 above. For Tuesday, sunny. Highs in the lower 40s.
So yeah, and then I have version 4. I got Goodwill maybe in August. I think I got right before I got my version 2.
Observations for the region. At the Piedmont Triangle.
And I have a version 5. This is not version 5.
With 2.59 and the relative humidity 81%.
I actually had this before I started YouTube. So yeah, and I bought this back in January, maybe. Well, whenever I bought my red logo 991, which is before I started YouTube. Well, this YouTube channel. A newer V5.
6 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.
Backlight visor light doesn't work. Turn it down. Here you have my WR101. This is a custom radio, obviously. The tuner is dead in it. That's why I made it camouflage. So yeah, pretty cool. I think it looks kind of cool. So yeah. And here you have version 4. The visor light died in it, unfortunately. It was working yesterday, but it's not working now, so.
At Wilmington, it was partly sunny.
But still pretty cool. And then here we have my EH55 with a little custom red thing I made for it to make it look like an EH55.
This weather outlook for central North Carolina. For today and tonight. Hazardous weather is not expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Friday through Wednesday. A storm system will bring showers and thunderstorms with locally heavy rain and possibly strong storms to the area Saturday night into Sunday. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation may be needed.
Whoop, whoop.
The air quality.
There you got my V15.
Davidson, Foresight.
Which I rarely even use, so yeah, I'm mostly use this one. Here we have my early CL100. I'm really sure it's later. I don't know what is up about that. With the public order logo.
WXL 42 operating on frequency 100.
As my other one over here does not have a public order logo. Here we have my R1630A / prototype. This is 2001, not 2002 like normal ones do.
Serves the northwest Piedmont and northern foothills of North Carolina, as well as adjacent Virginia counties.
And here we have my R1650B.
A front will linger near the region through
It actually has a great advisory you'll watch light. It also has that public order logo. And we have a realistic weather radio, because it has the 1R.
Beginning of next week. Here is the...
Still got that Google. Going down here to the second floor tier, whatever you call it, we have this weather station thingamajig. I actually bought this from Antonio, like, back in, like, July or August, June, something like that. I rarely even use this little handheld, but I sometimes use it. I kind of forgot how to operate it.
The thunderstorms in the evening. Patchy fog.
And back here we have my KDKA DXer. This is my best DXer of all my radios. It gets the best reception and everything. It's a Sanji Ncl. It's completely waterproof. It's a shower radio. Also has a weather band along with weather alerts.
Friday night, mostly cloudy with a 50%
this
chance.
Button, it puts on alert. So yeah, put that back on KDK. Right here we have my custom deluxe.
15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour.
I don't know if you guys may notice I had another deluxe, had a white backlight. I traded that for a CKW 2000 with SBC Paducah. Yeah, and this one I got Goodwill, along with the other deluxe I got Goodwill, so yeah. And back here we have my Iowa up. I also got the Goodwill. So yeah. Here we have my version 1 300.
Tuesday night, mostly clear.
So yeah. Here we have my 12-382.
The forecast for the mountains, including Florida. This afternoon,
Gosh, dang it.
mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. Near steady temp.
So yeah, pretty cool. Tuner still works. Here we have my Method W301. It is actually a 300 in disguise. It's actually a regular 300, but I made it a 301, and I think I did a really good job with it, actually. Like, I think I really did a really good job. Hopefully eventually I'll get a real 301, but until I do, this will hold me off. I mean, it does look real.
Chance of rain 30%.
So yeah, it also has a blue warning light.
Hours in the evening, then showers light.
12-261. 2004 model. I want to get 2003, but
Southwest.
wish good luck on that. Alright. So, moving up here, we have a Midland 74105 XL, which is not powered on right now because I don't have enough ports down in the fire hazard. So it's not actually a fire hazard, but just to think, each and every one of these weather radios use about, what is this one use? 0.3 of an amp. So, and each breaker in this house is 20 amps. So a lot of these, 0.3 of an amp each, doesn't really add up to much. Maybe it's 5 or 6 amps in total. So yeah, they're just big bulky, that's why. Here we have 74109 is on.
Chance of precipitation 90%.
And we have a WX10.
Highs in the upper 30s.
And WR120.
Wind chill values as low as 10 above.
And R1630C.
For Sunday.
And model with the blue backlight, actually. And no, it says WNC588. I just never took that off. My 250, that's actually starting to activate again.
Be cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy.
So yeah. And if we go over here, we have my WNC588.
Patchy fog in the morning.
120 is where I catch my CAEs on. But I actually made my WX150 on WNC588, so I hope I can catch CAE on that too.
Miles per hour. Chance of rain 20%.
So yeah, pretty cool. 262, this is on WNG538.
53. In South Carolina and North Georgia, at Atlanta, rain was falling with a temperature of 64. At Greenville, Spartanburg, it was cloudy.
Yeah, this is also on WNG538.
Once again at 2 p.m. at the Hickory Entry Airport, it was 65 degrees and cloudy.
And this little stand, Lonely 120 is on
10 miles an hour.
Except 42, obviously. This is my BC 370 CRS, March 94.1, K-Love. I know it says 99.5, but I mean 94.1, just for fun. My label maker broke, so I can't make another label. Yeah, it's my 996, plus say 993, it's 996.
At Jefferson, it was fair.
And I bought this at an actual Radio Shack back in September. Here we have my, excuse me, Pro 92, Radio Shack Pro 92. I rarely use the scanner anymore because I got this right here. But, yep. Pick up same thing that was. I don't know what that clicking noise is, by the way. They both do it, so yeah. I don't know what it is about that clicking noise, but here we have my Honeywell Rm 507W, which is unplugged at the moment. But within the little plug for it is somewhere down in here.
This is NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards. Station WXF.
You can see it does work, but the tuner will die like maybe about 3 hours after you plug it in. So I just plug it in right before the RWT. Let's plug that back in. Alright, here's my working 262. If you didn't know, this 262 can stop decoding. So you'll probably maybe come back, but this is my working 262, and I've had this one for the longest time. I've had this one probably since maybe May. Probably before that. I think I had it right after I started YouTube.
The heavy rain Saturday night and Sunday before bringing sharply colder temperatures for the beginning of next week.
You see how clear it is, so that's why it still works. Okay, right here we have the sound design, weather band, clock rig. That's a Google just for fun. But if I hit, I don't remember what button it is. I know if I hit a button, it'll turn it on. I guess not.
Lows in the lower 50s. Southwest winds around 5 miles per hour in the evening, becoming light and variable.
Yeah.
Chance of rain 40%.
You can see it works, and that the clock is behind. Oh, okay. Actually, let's fix that. There. Alright, now it's not behind. And here we have a 7-9.
Southwest winds around 5 miles per hour.
I guess a Goodwill. Still has a little screen thingy on it, so yeah. Here's a WR10.
15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 35.
It's glitchy. Sometimes it'll turn on, sometimes it doesn't, but it still activates, so yeah. And here we have my weather alert thing. I don't really use this too much because it has a constant siren. If I'm not here, it's going to sound the whole time, and I don't like that at all, so yeah. And here we have my Vector VEC 438.
Sunday night, partly.
Good God, that's terrible.
In the upper 20s. Chance of rain 50.
Yeah, freaking power supply makes it sound like freaking W100 version 5 is gluing to death. That's terrible. I don't see how it gives alerts, but it does, so. And then right here we have my little cardboard makeshift shelf. Let's probably about to cave in. But yeah, it works, so whatever.
50% chance of showers.
But yeah, it still goes off somehow, but this radio has some transformer issues, but it still works somehow, so yeah. as I try to fix this little thingy. And here we have my Emerson Research CKW, excuse me, CKW 2000. Yes, the clock pixels are out on it. It's a typical thing with these radios.
Light and variable wind.
But at least this one activates, unlike my other one that's also missing the little screen thingy. So yeah. And here we have my Pro, I believe it's the Pro 107.
Day, mostly cloudy.
Yep, you saw this go off on the required weekly test. But yeah, great little handheld scanner. Picks up frequencies quite far away, like this one does. But actually have a big antenna on this one. So yeah, this one will pick up really far away. Here you have my WP50, not 500. Wish it was a 500, but now it's a 50.
Percent. For Sunday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy.
Yeah, pretty cool. Here we have my Accurite, forget the model of this, 8550.
The precipitation 90%. And for Monday, clear.
As Morse code goes through it. But yeah, pretty cool handheld. Here's my beige 259.
Extended forecast for the
And then 522.
showers.
It's working.
Lows in the mid-50s.
It's been working for a few weeks, so yeah. Hopefully it'll keep working. And I got my 993.
Cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy.
And then we got my ER210, my 254. Whoops. I know I did not set the date on this.
Wind chill values as low as 10.
But yep, pretty cool. Little handheld. I don't really use this too much. Just because I don't really think about it. Not that I don't like abuse my radios or anything. Of course I don't. It's my weather. It's my collection. Why would I do that? But
Along Triad Airport, it was cloudy. The temperature was 65 degrees.
yep, I modded this Sunburst 200 like a long time ago. So yeah. Then I got this scan here.
An hour. The pressure was 29.86.
Yep, I got a really good deal on this scanner, like $30. This is this power supply, and yeah, that's the only problem with it. You can count the antenna. Okay, right here we have my Sanji Ncl 100.
Elsewhere across the region this hour, at Asheville, it was fair, with a temperature of...
So yeah, pretty cool. And here we have my 74S210. It do not have it plugged in right now because I don't have a power supply for it. I'm kind of low on power supplies at the moment. So yeah, I gotta get some more Goodwill. But once I do go, I will have some more. And here we have my WX150, and I'm actually getting another WX150, hint hint.
North Carolina this afternoon leading to a brief period of dry heading into Friday. A much stronger front in areas of low pressure arrived Saturday.
Yeah, I know, it doesn't have the greatest reception.
In West Virginia, in Bluefield.
WX67, if you wonder why this is here, the power supply that was supposed to go to this radio just quit working. It just like died. If you plug it in, it does nothing. So yeah, I don't know what's up with that. So here we have my WR196T. This is quite a rare radio. That's also got recalled.
Forsyth, Guilford, Randolph counties is 30.
If you may remember, it had a bad speaker. I replaced the speaker and it now works just fine. And then here we have my what is this? 60110.
40 megahertz.
So yeah, I don't really use this radio that often. I have my Ear 50, which I rarely even
In
use.
Stokes County, the station.
So yeah, I rarely even use this little radio. And I forgot my call. Oh wait, we got one more radio. And we have my white logo 991.
Pressure was 29 point.
Mars KGY85. Also, there's some radios in here. little chart, but we have V16HH. This little vector thingamajig that's kind of broken. We have this, and this has a really weird alert siren. Yeah, very weird siren, so yeah. We have, this is just a weather radio. It doesn't like have alert or anything like that. We have 093, which is just in here for time being, till I got a little bit more room. Just because because when I have it right there, sometimes I hit it and it falls off the wall with my back, because I like to lay on my blankets right there. It's a flip phone. I got a bunch of flip phones, so yeah. A bunch of power supplies that are miscellaneous. Most of them are W100 power supplies. So yeah. I probably could find one that would work with some first 210, but you can see it's pretty tangled up. I don't believe there's any radios that are working in here besides the 240, 262 is realistic, and there's nothing in that bottom drawer. Besides, I think there might be an 889 in there. But yeah, let's check this little reference chart here. Quote-unquote reference chart. It says I'm at 104 radios, but see I have some marked out. Yeah, I've traded and etc. Something like that, like 80. Anyway, I've got my closet here. This video's already 21 minutes. I'm trying to hurry this up. Let's set that right there. We have my Eton, what is this, FR405.
Wednesday, partly sunny.
Yeah, I got this for Christmas. Oh, this other Radio Shack hand has that vector thing. CKW 2000 I got for Christmas. These two radios right here I got for Christmas. And I got that little Radio Shack handheld for Christmas. And I got this for Christmas. This. Oh, excuse me. I think that's about it. And a bunch of gift cards.
For Friday, mostly sunny. Patchy fog.
This R1630A. Or 30A, 50A. This is my other CKW 2000. This is actually version 12. My other one's a version 13. So there is a whole different set of two. But this one's missing a speaker, so yeah, so you can't really do anything with it. The time's also backward. Time's also a little behind on it. Let's fix that issue. There we go. Yeah, it's a pretty cool little radio. I would recommend getting the Emerson if you want one. It's basically Alert Works, which I will be getting one soon. So yeah, I might make a comparison video in the version 12 and the version 13. So yeah.
In the evening, a chance of snow showers.
Now I have my 521. This is actually a 2012 521. So this one shall last forever, hopefully, like 519. So, yeah, and then over here, we have my W120. This is the OG 120.
Lower 20s.
I'm running still.
10 above.
My silver 259, which has a dead tuner. So, I'm going to see if it will ever come back or not. So, yeah. Then I have my 71st 250. See, I had those two Magnavox radios. This is actually the radio you heard in my required weight test. I thought, beep, 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 beep. That was this radio.
No showers.
So yeah, then we got this radio here, which...
With lows in the lower 20s. Chance of...
So yeah. I know I got my broken W120 here, which I'm selling on eBay. So yeah. Alright, well thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys have a good day, and had a Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year, and thank you guys for watching this collection video. There will be an unboxing coming out, if not before or after this video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day. Goodbye.